trying. Since when has it become not cool?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is on night out outfit ideas, so I really hope you enjoy this, and let's get to it. So for my first outfit, I'm wearing a yellow check shirt dress from Pretty Little Thing with a black lace cami underneath, which is from H&M. The belt around my waist is also from Pretty Little Thing. I think the chain styles are great to have in your wardrobe because you can wear them with dresses, skirts, anything. And then these boot heels are from Zara. I don't think you can get these anymore, so I've left some pairs in the description that look almost identical to them. They're such a good dupe. I just love shirt dresses at the moment. They're so easy to wear and dress up for a night out or down just casually for every day.
Yeah, I gotta say.
This outfit is perfect for a night out, and it's great because you can wear everything separately for a casual everyday look. So my denim jacket is from Topshop, the orange crop top is from Pretty Little Thing, and so is the denim skirt. I think the heels just dress up an outfit so much. I'll leave links to some similar pairs in the description, but I just love this white pair. But yeah, like I said, the great thing about this outfit is that you can wear all of the pieces on their own and dress it down, so it's not just like once you've worn it, that's it, if you know what I mean. Outfit 3 is a bit different, but I wanted to include trousers, and I saw these and I just thought they looked really cool. So the top I'm wearing and the trousers are both from Missguided, and then my heels were from Pretty Little Thing, but I'll link some similar ones in the description because I'm pretty sure they don't do them anymore. I just think this whole kind of combat look is really in at the moment, and I just thought they'd look so good on a night out dressed up with a pair of heels. I always mention this, but everything I show in this video I link down below in the description, so just click show more and you'll see each outfit with all of the links there. So for my fourth look, I picked this dress because I just loved the colour of it. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. They're just killing it at the moment with all of their stuff. The belt comes with it too, which is so good because they've basically just put the outfit together for you, which is so easy. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing my suede Pretty Little Thing boots. These always seem to go out of stock and then come back again, so keep checking the website for your size if you can't get it straight away because they do definitely restock them. But yeah, I just thought this was such a cute little dress. I love the pocket details and the sleeves too. It's just super flattering. In outfit 5, I've got on this blue and white striped shirt dress from Missguided. What really sold me this was the little lace detail on the side of it. I just thought this was a nice touch, and it took it from your average shirt to something a bit girlier. The shoes I'm wearing are the same boots from my first look. These go so well with a shirt dress.
So let me point you in the right direction. It's so important that you get the message. Yeah, I gotta say something to you.
And finally, for my last outfit, I've got on a black crop top from Pretty Little Thing and this belted mini skirt, which is also from there. Now, the website actually says this skirt is red, but to me, it's kind of more a fluorescent pinky red strawberry colour. So yeah, just keep that in mind, but I actually really like the colour of it. It would be so good for a night out, and it's easy to style too because it's kind of the statement piece of the outfit. So you just wear like a plain black top or white or something with it instead. If you were wanting to wear this as an everyday piece as well, I would probably buy the black one and then wear a bright coloured top with it for a night out. But yeah, it's just such a cute skirt, and I love the belt and zip details on it. My heels are just a black strappy pair from Aldo. I'll link everything below. But yeah, that is it everyone. I really hope you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did, because it honestly means the world to me. Let me know your thoughts as always too, and your favourite night out look. And yeah, have an amazing day, and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.